Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you are well and good. There are some verbs in English which requires a preposition. If you want to follow them with an object, some English learners do not use the preposition correctly, or they don't know that you need a preposition to begin with. In this lesson, I will make sure that you know which verbs go with which preposition, and I will give you a lot of example sentences. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to click the like button, share this video with your friends, and do subscribe my channel. Let's start our video. The first word is accompany by. Accompany by. The boy was accompanied by his sister. Accompany with. The angry report was accompanied with a blow. Next, agree with. I agree with you. Agree to. I quite agree to your proposal. Angry with. My teacher is angry with me. Angry at. My teacher is angry at my rudeness. Compete with. He competed with 4 boys in the race. Compete for. He competed for a prize. Concur with. I concur with you. Concur in. I concur in your judgment. Deal with. He deals honesty with his customers. Deal in. My brothers deal in cotton. Differ with. I differ with you on this point. Differ in. I differ in opinion about this point. Engage to. He is engaged to a beautiful girl. Engaged in. He is engaged in his business. Part from. I parted from my mother. Part with. He parted with his money. Pleased with. He is pleased with you. Pleased at. He is pleased at your behavior. Reconcile with. I am reconciled with my brother. Reconcile to. I was reconciled to my lot. Tired of. I am tired of my friend. Tired with. I am tired with exercise.